Hello everyone and welcome to Module 2 called What is a Desert? And you can see here from the overview, the learning outcomes and the content for this module really goes into what classifies a desert as a desert, identifies desert characteristics, and goes into some of the rich biodiversity in terms of the mammals and the plants that you'll see in the Sonoran Desert. And really owing to its rich geography, the topography, the fact that we have a biannual rainfall. We're going to get into why and how these adaptations and this diversity comes about. You're also going to get a chance to investigate those in more depth as you do your desert fact sheets. So let's head into some of the content. Remember to always click here to find out the desert learning outcomes for the module. And when you click on that, you're going to open up a document that has the learning outcomes. You're going to learn some of these key vocabularies, define and explain things like a xerophyte, the adaptations, why those are important, and a lot of other adaptations and prevalent plants in the Sonoran Desert. Oftentimes people think the desert is a dry and barren place, and you're going to learn in this module that Sonoran Desert is nothing but boring. It's very rich in biodiversity, so many interesting things happening, and then it really talks about how the human environment impact and how we play a role in maintaining the desert in order to maintain it to be a rich and flourishing place. And you're going to then view the desert characteristics. That'll take you to a slideshow, and you'll be able to go through the slideshows, and remember to click on the videos to watch the videos that are embedded in here. You'll also then have your content quiz and then your module lab assignments. There are 3. You're going to complete your desert identification. The second one about medicinal plants. You're going to learn about some of those in the slides. And then your Sonoran Desert fact sheet. Remember, you get to select some that are of interest to you and fill them out. And then you've got your lab quiz. So that is, this is your content quiz. This is your lab identification. Remember, the rubric is right there. Here's your lab identification quiz. Okay, so just remember to submit all assignments, double, triple check everything is submitted. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. And then here's your Module 2 lab assignment, the desert fact sheet. So you get to choose one plant and one animal. And this is an opportunity for you to have voice and choice as a student. There are so many interesting ones. There'll be no shortage in trying to find one of interest to complete the Sonoran Desert fact sheet. And remember, you have the example right here. Have fun with this module, and we will see you in Module 3.